KL College of Agriculture is following 100% ICAR-Approved syllabus. So as a part of academics, we are following different pedagogies. So like classroom teaching, Clifffield learning methods, field exposure visits, field demonstrations and industry visits. And we are also encouraging the students to participate in different activities, agriculture related activities, to cultivate new ideas in them. KL College of Agriculture has well infrastructure or state-of-the-art labs, and KL College of Agriculture also has one field labs complex to promote 100% hands-on training.